Amazing ocean fact. Did you know the ocean hides a waterfall bigger than any waterfall on Earth? Deep under the Atlantic Ocean near Denmark Strait, there is an underwater waterfall called the Denmark Strait Cataract. It's about 11,500 feet, 3,500 meters, tall, which is more than 3 times taller than Angel Falls, the tallest waterfall on land. This happens because cold, heavy water sinks beneath warmer water deep in the ocean. Even crazier, scientists say humans have explored less of the ocean than the surface of the moon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crazy facts.